Greetings, fellow humans. You may be wondering, why am I doing another cake pop video given the last incident?
Wait, no! Mother.
Well, first, I don't have a choice. Second, if you're a beginner to cake pops, I wanted to give you a tutorial you could actually follow and succeed. And third,
redemption!
Okay guys, so I have some purple fondant here and I also have some pink fondant. I'm just gonna roll it out and then I'm gonna make some butterflies using this fondant plunger. This is the smallest plunger that I have, so we're just gonna have to do. So I'm just gonna roll it out, and I wanna roll it out really, really thin as possible. I have this mold here. This is just cardboard, and that's where we'll put it. So pretty straightforward here. And then I'm also gonna make some flowers to go with it of the same color, using my silicone mold that saved me the last time I made cake pops. You can see it just fits right in there, and then it dries in that nice shape. Naked one. Whoops. I had to get some more. Ah, it's so hard to get back. Ah. So here are the butterflies. Okay, now I'm going to start making the flowers. Looks like a flag of flowers. I've got a lump of cake pop dough that I made. So the first thing I'm going to do is roll this into balls. Oh my goodness, I'm getting sore. What is wrong with me? I need to go to the gym. Okay, so that's about the size that I want. And I just kind of squish it and roll it. These are going to be very, very simple cake pops. I'm literally just going to dip them, and then I'm going to put some of the butterflies and the flowers on top of it, and then I think I'm just going to brush it with some luster dust. Number 20! Woo! Halfway there! Well, in making the balls at least. You know what? Maybe you should stretch before you do this. Yeah, loosen it up. You don't want to pull something. Collect the crumbs. Rejoin the mother dough. All right, we got 46 cake doughs, soon to be cake pops. They will transform. So I went with and got the Ghirardelli white chocolate wafers because they've never failed me before. And I was like, this time I'm gonna go all out. I've melted the chocolate. So first I'm gonna stab it. But you can see that some of these have cracked, and that's okay, we'll fix that. But you definitely don't want to dip it in the chocolate until you've repaired it. And that's why you also have to be kind of quick when you roll these, because you don't want to let them out to dry, because the more they dry, then the more they crack. Now I'm going to go back to the first one, and I'm going to cover any cracks with chocolate. I'm just going to fill them in. We're almost there. This guy's got a huge ass crack. Okay. We have sealed the cracks. So now we will dip. Okay. All right, so he's pretty good. Don't you touch him. Aw, no fraternization between the cake pops. Not bad. See, I'm not a total failure, guys. 6 feet apart. So I'm just dipping it just enough to cover the back, and I'm picking it up really quick, and then I'm just kind of shaking it until the little tendril is very thin. When it's really thin, then it's good to go. Ooh, this is a chunky one. Someone's gonna get lucky. Woo! No casualties! So I'm going to apply some of the luster dust to the cake pops that have dried, and I'm going to do some of them in gold and some of them in pearl, just white, and see how that goes. And then I'm going to dip the butterflies and the flowers in chocolate and then stick them on there. Okay. Okay, so I got my Wilton brush here. I'm gonna dip it in the gold powder first, just because I'm not quite sure how that will look. Ooh, my goodness. Make a mess. That's also part of the plan. And then I'm gonna... There's some striations in there in the chocolate. I'm not really sure what it is, but it doesn't actually look like terrible. It looks kind of interesting, actually. So I think I'll do half gold and half just plain. I can see it in the air. Should I be wearing a mask? They're actually reflective. It's so cool. I can see myself. That takes care of that. Now it's just a matter of applying the butterflies and the flowers to the cake pops with a little bit of melted chocolate. I want to cover any of the imperfections. So this little crater gonna be covered with a butterfly. Heck yeah. Now we can put the flowers. Get my face. Grab my face. Yes, you did it. Alrighty guys, well, I finished them all. I put all of the flowers that I had. Well, there's a couple left here, but I used most of the flowers. I was debating on whether I wanted to airbrush it. I ended up doing it. I didn't want to clean my kitchen again, but I knew that it would add a little bit more depth, so that's what I did here. Did I redeem myself? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I think these turned out much better than the last ones, but then again, these are much more simple. Alrighty guys, well that's all I have. Until next time, happy miscaking!
Bam bam bear when the baby, 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 baby,